Oh, and it's gonna get better. Got one, got one. Here we go. Woo! I don't know how big he is. He's fighting really good. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another creek fishing video. And it has been a little bit since I've been fishing, or fishing with any luck, I guess. It's been decently cold the past couple weeks, but now for some reason it's deciding to be like 64. So what I'm trying to do out here today is just see if the fish are starting to come back up. I know this 64 degrees did not warm up this water. Shoo! Water's a tad bit chilly. Oh, first fall of the year. So the bait we're starting with today is a little Berkley, I think they're called flicker shads. But it's just a little like a longbill crankbait. Not what I usually would use for creeks. But this ain't just no ordinary creek. Where I'm at is actually really close to the river. All right. This right here has been a really good spot for me this past winter. It's treated me pretty good with some fish. See if it can do it again. Got one. I got one. First cast over here. Yes. There we go. Yes, it's a bass. It's a bass. Ooh. Don't get tangled up. There we go. There we go. Look at this. Ooh. First fish. Yes. Oh, look at that. Oh, is it a smallie? It is. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh, there we go, first fish of the day. Oh, and what a fish to start it on, a nice smallie. Oh my goodness, look at that smallie, beautiful. That's really awesome, really cool. All right, let's put this guy back. Awesome. Woo! So, the lure that I've been using all winter, well, not the same color, but the same kind of crankbait, is the one getting me my fish. Nice. Let's try another cast out here. Oh! Ooh! Oh, he hit it really hard. That was awesome. That's our next cast too. Next cast. What is that? Is that another smallie? Yeah, it is. Okay. Ah! Whoa, whoa, come back. Wanted to do pliers. Oh, he got off. There he goes. I forgot my pliers, so I had to use these scissors. Sounds like a war zone over there. Oh, I had a bite. I had 2 bites. 3 bites, 4 bites, 5 bites. He's not on it yet. Oh wait, or is it a little sunfish? There it is. There we go. Our first sunfish. Let's go, little sunfish. That's awesome. I can't remember which one this is. Is this a spotted? Or is it a... I think it might be a spotted sunfish. I don't know. The coloration on some of these fish are going to be a little off because of it being winter. And I'm not really good with my sunfish species either. See if we can get another one. Man, this has turned into a really good day already. Oh, and it's gonna get better. Yes. What is this? It's a largemouth, I think. That or a... Yeah. Look at this. Oh, yes. Man, how do you want me to grab you? Come on, get out of there. There we go. Woo! Now we got a largemouth. Look at that. Oh, he's a chunky one too. All right, let's go ahead and put this guy back. Little largy. There he goes. So why I believe fish are biting so good and so well here is because right off this little shallow edge is a really deep, kind of like cliff. 8 to 10 feet deep off this little edge. And I think they're all really close to the edge. We're gonna head downstream a little closer to the river because in my last fishing video, and I did make sure to bring a battery with me because last time I went fishing here, actually caught, I think it was either a 2.5 or a 3-pounder. Pretty sure it was a 3-pounder, but I didn't have a battery in my GoPro. My battery had died yet, and there's a little rock bluff I want to go to. That's where I caught the 3-pounder last time. All right, so right up here is the rock bluff I'm talking about. Gonna get up here, try to make a couple casts. And hopefully we can get another 3-pounder. I want to say I was on this rock. This rock was not underwater though last time. I think we'll get a fish here. Oh. Oh, got one. Got one. Oh, it's a decent little largemouth. Whoa, he bit really, really soft. First cast over here though. Shoo. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a good one. It's our biggest one yet. Oh, what is that? Oh, what is that? There we go. All right, there we go. We got a good largemouth. That's a pound. Pound largie. He's got a weird thing under his jaw. Does anybody know what that is? I'm really confused about that. But nonetheless, it's a good largemouth. I think I'm gonna try to get it underwater of him. Well, first fish over here on this bluff, and it's a pound. That's not bad. Not bad at all. See if we can get another one. Got one, got one. Here we go. Woo! I don't know how big he is. He's fighting really good. Whoa! Whoa, it's a good one. It's a good smallie. It's a good smallie. Look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, I think he's starting to tire out. Oh, I don't want to bang him in this rock. That's another good fish though. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes. Another good smallie. Look at that. There we go. Look at that. Look at that smallie. Yes. Yes. Oh my goodness. Nice fish. Look at that beautiful smallmouth. That is awesome. Guys, look at this smallie right here. I want to say he's 1.5 to 2 pounds. But really nice. Let's go ahead and get a release off this guy. Really nice. Works. I'm gonna try to get around this little bluff. So I haven't been on the other side of it. All right, we are heading back. Didn't see anything over there. We're heading back now. Found a little stick. Ugh, good walking stick. Well, if that ain't the creepiest thing I've seen all week. All right then. Oh! He just broke my line, for sure. Oh, he immediately broke my line. Whoa. He popped a whole leader immediately. That or I got hung really good. Man, that kind of sucks. Well, I guess that's gonna be the end of the video. I didn't expect for it to pop my leader right then. Anyway, guys, I got a lot of things hopefully I want to do this summer. I want to do a lot more catch and cooks. Do different things with catch and cooks, like crazy different types of batters, recipes, like dipping fish into like hot Cheetos or something. Like, I want to try it out. There's one I really want to do that I don't think I've seen any other person do, but I want to do the 1 chip challenge and use that chip to make a batter for fish. And I want to see how that goes. But anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm so pumped to get back into fishing, and I will see y'all in the next one.